My name is Eugene Liu. Let me introduce Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Offers head-to-toe HD plus video, 3D motion detection, audio plus, and live view, and works with Alexa. The doorbell has a resolution of 1536 by 1536 and a field of view of 150 by 150 degrees. It uses dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5.0 GHz. The Ring Chime Pro is a doorbell chime that connects to your Ring doorbells and cams so you can hear real-time notifications in your home. It has a design and a built-in night light. Plus, it extends your Wi-Fi to your Ring devices to stay online and reduce dead zones. It also amplifies all your devices. Enjoy 3-in-1, flexibility, reliability, and convenience. Hear notifications anywhere in your home. Extend your Wi-Fi signal to boost the network for all your Ring Video doorbells. Enjoy a built-in automatic night light for added peace of mind. Ring Video Doorbell needs a strong power transformer.